What have we learned today, sir? Okay, so I had been working on a picture on my buddy who's no longer with us. And, you know, it just started drawing, repeating shapes and repeating shapes and repeating shapes. And I started seeing the shapes. I started seeing shapes that were resemblant of what I was trying to do when I was trying to draw his picture yesterday. And this is what I figured out. I am the light. I am the light. You start with 2 points, your sun and your moon. This picture can be viewed this way, and it can be viewed this way. Okay? These are all yin-yangs. All these seemingly weird, ugly things, if you get a good look at them, this is the water. This is the water right here. You'll see a reflection. He's coming through in a reflection. Like, I just started recognizing shapes. Like, that's a hand, you know. I can see the hand. So, you know, these pictures, I mean, this thing's not, I will have the paper filled up, but like, you know, once I recognized the guitar, I made this a guitar. You see what I'm saying? But these, you know, I'll have all the stencils I'll ever need out of this one freaking, you know, not all of them, but I mean, I'll have a bunch of freaking stencils, you know what I'm saying? But like, you know, as I kept going and I just kept, you see how I mimicked the shape of the cell phone, okay? Once you get things in perspective, it's a circle and a square, a circle and a square. It's a straight line and a curvy line. A straight line, is it a straight line, a curvy line? For every straight line I make, there's a curvy line somewhere in it. For every, you know what I mean? Which means that I am the light. There's always going to be the water. You notice how I drew some weird, ugly animal, but I kept going. And I mimicked the shapes. You know, in the beginning, you know, just like double, you know, and 2 dots, I made 2 of these. Now, this turns out being the water line. I mean, look at, you know, like, this is the water line. It just gets bigger and bigger, the scale. This looks like a large cell phone. Looks like you know what I mean? Like, or a building, you know, or it goes down in depth. Like, I'm freaking blown away. Now, if you look at it upside down, you know what I mean? Like, all this, him coming through, you know what I mean? Like, I just kept seeing him. I kept seeing him. Like, you know, that's a very cartoony version of him, you know, because I wasn't trying to draw him, but I just kept, you know, I started seeing him backwards. I started seeing the shapes I was trying to do for his eyebrows yesterday backwards, you know. Look at it. I just kept happened to get a yin-yang. Happens to be in the middle. Here's my first brightest sun. This would be the moon. Just so happens. I swear to God, just so happens. This is, you know, I mean, like, I don't know, man. I feel pretty good about this. Peace.